So what am I going to talk about?
Why don't you tell us what's going on today?
Okay. We're having an addition started on the house today, which is great. You know? Lots of people in this house.
Why are you whispering? Are you afraid? of
Yeah,
being seen?
they're measuring. They're measuring.
You need to tell us.
No, yeah,
Tell us
I could use
about-
some coffee.
You sure can. Tell us about what's going on today. Why is this going on?
Okay.
And, you know, long-term expectations and things to watch out for. They're nailing metal spikes into the ground at the moment, you know?
yeah.
Think about these things. Steve, get on the ball.
They're
Get on the
nailing
ball.
metal spikes in the ground at the moment. The Gesslers are starting an addition for their family. They are not expecting currently, but they do have 7 kids currently. They don't want their kids to feel like they have to run away from home. No, don't use that. Don't use that. I don't like that.
Too late. You
Dang
said it. I
it.
can use it.
No.
I don't know that I will. I just can. I reserve that right.
Okay, I'm gonna have to find out some way to get back at you, but okay. We're gonna have 2 small bedrooms added on. Little tiny closet, cute little window, another cute little window, and then another bedroom just exactly the same. There'll be a door that opens and closes. Today we're gonna be digging the footers.
You're going to be doing it?
No, you're going to be doing it.
No, I'm not.
No, you're not.
Those gentlemen behind you are going
These
to
gentlemen behind me are gonna be doing it.
and they're going to use
Keep feeding me my lines.
I will do what I have to. They're going to use a cool skid steer,
They're gonna use a cool skid steer.
and which is also dangerous.
Now, this is also dangerous. You're right. It's a big piece of heavy equipment. All children will need to be far out of the way or safely inside watching from a window.
I'm sure they're going to be watching from that window.
Yeah, probably.
Yep.
Hey, the orange cones are gone from the water company.
I put them away.
Oh, we're welcoming you to come along for this educational experience. Oh, the sun is bright. I really need some coffee.
As we do what, Steve? As we
Oh,
got.
as we
Build an addition.
Oh, we built an addition! That's starting today!
I'm docking your pay this week.
Okay, I don't care.
Yeah, Greg with Masterpiece Custom Builders, day 1. So we are going to scrape off the turf, get it prepared and ready to dig the footers. We got a machine sitting over here that's going to dig a 2-foot wide, 1-foot deep footer that will have 2 runs of number 4 rebar running horizontally in the bottom of the footer. Then we'll have dowels that come up, so that'll be filled with concrete. Basically, we're creating a firm and strong foundation, very important for the structure that'll be built on top of it. From there, we'll go vertical and make it something that looks awesome that you'll be proud of. Every day is a safety concern, so when construction, you have to be careful. So there'll be 1-foot deep holes, a little over 1-foot deep holes, so we have to be careful about those. And there'll be these steel dowels that stick up that are dangerous if you fall and interact with them, so we try to be very careful with those. But yeah, we always have to be safe around any construction project, especially if there's an existing home with kids running around. So we want to make sure that everybody's safe and we have a good time but a safe time.
Lucy was excited to use the new facilities. How was it, Lucy?
Good.
If any other kids come along, I want to give them some precautions about using the Porta potty. Lucy was very excited to use it, and she used the hand sanitizer. Yeah, the handle is kind of funny. You just kind of put your hand in there. As you can see, when it's green, it means vacancy, which means wow, I didn't know someone was in there. Excuse us. Sorry about that. Guess we should give this person a little privacy. Whoa!
The addition is huge. And stinky.
That's not the addition. That's the Porta John. Portable commode.
What? I love this new room. There's a blue swimming pool at the bottom.
Oh yeah, don't go in there. That's not what that's for. Okay, we're gonna have a little talk. Come on out.
I'm gonna go swim in the pool.
No, come back out. Okay, I gotta go. Not go like that, but you know, I gotta go. I gotta stop something terrible from happening. Maybe I'll just go get Susie. They can have a little heart-to-heart discussion, woman to woman, about blue swimming pools at the bottom of the Porta John.
Well, the building project has had some holdups over the past week, but we did finally get the cement poured today. And next up are these blocks.
Whoa! Where did all that building come from? They built a foundation, they squared it off, leveled it out, stacked in some cement blocks, then they filled the cement blocks with cement and rebarb. Is that what you call that?
Yep. What do you think of this construction site? Do you approve?
Well, I mean, I do like the caution tape and the safety cones. I don't like this watery trench of death, but I think that's going to be filled in soon.
Yeah.
And the kids are staying away.
So what's happening next?
Well, next they're gonna probably pump out the sludge and fill in the and then they're gonna probably
Right. You don't know.
Yeah, I don't know.
I think you're right. I think they're going to pump out the water. They're going to seal the foundation, and then they're going to put in the floor joist. So those are the beams that go across, and then they'll put the OSB on top of that, I believe.
Watch your language.
It's a compressed wood.
Compressed wood. OSB stands for O compressed SB wood.
They're backing up. The truck is pushing a trailer that has a bunch of tools and saws and stuff.
Hey kids, get out of the driveway. He's backing up. So we've had a ton of rain and there have been delays, but today is a big day. The framers are here. It's going to look like a lot of progress.
You kids need to wear shoes this summer because there could be nails in the yard. You haven't had to deal with this in the past, but when there's construction, people drop nails and screws and other sharp, hard objects that can pierce and penetrate a shoe, a foot, even a boot.
Right behind me, it's going to change today. Oh, not yet. It hasn't happened yet.
It's audition.
You know what it's missing?
A roof.
Yeah! Steve, you're going to come out and check it out?
Yeah, I'm coming. Woo! That was great. Check it out. It's me.
Me and Teresa will have the boys' room. And I will have my bed myself.
I'm excited about these really ginormous windows. They're going to be so pretty.
I'm the hunkiest puppet you ever saw. Check out my profile. Check out my nose.
Yeah, let's measure your height.
No, let's not.
85 inches and 85 and 7/8 inches.
Yeah, very good, Carl. It's called a fraction.
Are you
I don't know
standing
how
on your
to tell you.
toes?
Stop it.
What do you think of the construction around here?
Well, you know, I see some nails just
Where?
kind of poking out. Well, there's one on the floor over there. There's another one just kind of like it's not all the way in the wood, you know. There's a lot of splinters. So I'm a little nervous about these kids tromping along. Susie, put some shoes on. Come on, be a good example for the kids. You don't want to have to pull out a splinter. Congratulations, Teresa. Good job wearing shoes.
What's
Be
this?
careful. Yep, be careful. Whoa, that was a big jump.
Well, we had another small delay, but today the trusses have arrived. You're looking at what is called the gable, so this is the far end of the house. Give it a good push. Put your back into it. Push with your legs.
Stop with the leg jokes. You just can't stop. It's like you're addicted.
Steve, there's a nail down there.
All right, maybe let's get all the kids, put on some shoes, some thick-soled shoes. We're gonna do a careful walk around the edge and we're gonna pick up all the nails, okay?
Well, next these guys are going to be putting on the roof. Oh, look, they're done. Well, mostly done. They have to shave off the edges, I think. Look at all these dangerous tools lying around. Well, the framers are finished, so we're going to go check out the progress right now.
Wow! This is so cool. Yeah. This way can open. What you doing?
This is our window.
Yes.
Got my hands in my pockets. I've got my hands in my pockets. I've got my hands in my pockets.
Yeah, let's get all the kids, put on some shoes, some thick-soled shoes. We're gonna do a careful walk around the edge, and we're gonna pick up all the nails, okay? Teresa, can you do that?
Okay.
Yep, grab that magnet. Looking good, Teresa.
I was wearing shoes in the addition.
Oh, that's good. Look at all those shingles. Those are probably gonna kill the grass. Hey, Steve! Hey, Steve! Hi, Steve! Hey! Steve! Hi! I like that guy. The roofers, they came and went in one day yesterday. Pretty impressive. Those guys were just, they were at it. 7:30 in the morning. Like that. And then with the nail gun, we heard him on the roof. It was fast. Fast work, but also fast cleanup, and it looks like they did a pretty good job. But of course, we've got to go around, form a line, and walk slowly through the grass, looking for any nails, obviously, or staples.
We're not really finding any nails. They did a good job cleaning up, apparently. There's some.
That's because you got out of the dumpster.
You're singing your theme music again, Steve.
Oh yeah,
What's
I like
up?
that little tune. I got it from the Andy Griffith Show. Well, those roofers did a pretty good job.
They did.
Yeah, I went all around this house, and I only found a few things. I found one nail, one staple, just a few sharp things like pieces of plastic or things I just picked up. Little trash.
Were you looking for a buffalo nickel?
Buffalo nickel. I'm looking for buffalo wings. Yeah, but not in here. Because yuck. Yeah, come look over here in the dumpster. Look at this! A whole pile! Come on, come here, come look at this. Whoa, I think that's a dirty diaper. But over here, to the left of the dirty diaper, these guys used gloves that they threw away. I wonder where they did that. They look perfectly good. Carly, you want some gloves for your birthday?
I'm good.
I'll be the judge of that. How about one glove for your birthday? Looks like they got a nice pile of nails. I wonder how they did that. I wonder if they had their own giant magnet, you know, to drag through the grass. But those guys also laid down some really big tarps. So they were prepared.
2 enthusiastic thumbs up.
1 enthusiastic thumbs up.
You know, Steve, I won't mention your feet today because they're not there to be seen, but you have some hand gestures, but I only ever see you using one at a time.
Okay, all right. This is over. This show's over.
Well, Calamity Jane, we are excited because today is siding day. Aren't you excited?
Yep. Nail guns. Poo, 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 poo.
Well, you're not allowed to use
Get
the
the
nail
kids
gun.
and we'll, you know, have a little war.
Okay, well, I'm going to go tell Steve to keep an eye on you.
Putting up the siding. Pew, 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 pew.
Well, Steve, we have a problem.
You have a problem. I know. And it's about time you admitted it.
Okay, behind you is going to be a doorway into the new addition.
Wow!
Yeah, not yet.
Right.
We heard them cutting here the other day. The jigsaw started coming through the wall.
Oh! Oh my word! Look, you can push it on that and it moves. That is not safe. I hope no children were in this room when that happened.
Charlie, show us the problem.
There's a hole in the wall.
Yeah.
There are 2 problems here. So one is that the door is not supposed to be in the closet.
Oh, right. So it's the wrong spot where they were cutting.
Yep, so they're gonna fix that. They say it's an easy fix, they're gonna do it. But there's another problem because tomorrow we're getting the insulation sprayed in here and they said it's toxic, so we're not supposed to be in the house.
Oh. We are gonna have to cover up that hole somehow. You said it, Carly Jane.
How are we gonna do it?
Ask Carly Jane.
We're gonna have to cover up the hole somehow and then leave the house.
What are we gonna cover it up with?
Tape. Probably.
Tape, probably. She said it. Tape works. Duct tape. I mean, people hold on their bumpers on their cars with duct tape.
So you're not really worried?
Nah, not if you got duct tape.
Okay.
But it definitely needs to be taped. If you forget, then I'll be worried. But if you have duct tape and you do it right now, yeah, let's do it right now.
All right, the insulation guys came and they left, so we're gonna check it out, see what this stuff looks like. Looks like we got the electric in, we got the AC units in, got all the windows in. Let's go check out the sheetrock.
All right, well, here we are in the addition. We primed it, And now we're gonna sand and do some finish painting in here. Yeah, we're getting close to finishing it.
There's a lot of people are doing
What do you think, Joe? You like sanding?
It's really loud when there are a lot of people in it.
Yeah, I'm not a yodeler. Carl asked me to give you a tour of the addition. He did a great paint job, so I'm gonna show you that. You did a great job, Carl. I mean, those lines are sharp, and you don't even use tape.
Check out the girls' room.
Yeah, come on. And the girls' room, pretty much the same, just flipped. The girls chose green for their accent wall. He did the same color on the ceiling as the walls, and sometimes when the light shines in, it still looks like 3 different colors. It's pretty interesting. Tomorrow, the floor guys will be in, putting in the floor.
Well, I'm putting on the first coat of primer on the outside here today. The inside painting is done other than the toe molding. Get this thing hopefully primed up today.
Hey guys, I'm gonna paint the girls' room. G-L-U-E. Paint. Still a little sticky, my first coat. That is pretty sticky, huh? Maybe if I like...
All right, so now I'm going to paint what used to be the boys' room. Calamity! Yeah, I'll take care of this.
Hey!